Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get private methods in your Objective-C classes. So it's not really straightforward and you really don't know how to do it unless you've seen it. So let's make a new class here, so new file, Objective-C class. We'll just extend NSObject and we'll just call this my class. Okay, put this in here. And let me split this up. So we have our implementation and our interface on the right. So basically anything you put in your interface here is public. So we have void print string or whatever. Okay, and then implementation will add this void print string, and we'll just call nslog print string. Okay, so we have this, and if we import this into our main file, hit import my class, then we can call my class equals awk and init. Okay, so we have my class here, and then print string. Okay, it's public. We can call it, and when we boot and run this, we can see that it works. Print string. So back in our class file here, if we want to make private methods, what we have to do is in our implementation file, we need to add another interface. So we'll say add interface, and now we need to duplicate our class name. So my class, and let's delete all of this here. Okay, so we have this interface, my class. It's exactly the same as our other interface, only we're going to have some empty parentheses right here. And now anything we put in this interface here is private. So this really is pretty intuitive. So like you have your public header file that gets distributed with your framework that other people can see. Well, if we had private methods in there, then everyone could see those private methods. So by doing this, our private methods and the implementation of those methods are all in our implementation file, and it's not seen. So let's add an NS string here, my string, and in our print string here we'll just print that string out. So my string. Okay, so we want to populate this string, and we'll do that in a private class. So we still have to declare just the method signature in this interface. So pop string. Okay, and then it goes right in with every other method here in our basic implementation file. So pop string, and then we'll just say my string equals NS string, string with string, my string. Okay, so we can call this just like any other method we have. We use self and then call pop string. If we just went and started adding methods here, like my other method, and we wanted to call that, we'd say self and then my other method, and we don't get code completion because it's not declared in any interface. So we can't do that. We have to declare private methods with this at interface in our implementation file, just empty parentheses. We declare all of our methods just like any other interface, and then the implementation goes right in with all of our other public methods and so on. So we'll save that and run this again, and we'll see that my string here is printed out. So that's how you do private methods in Objective-C.